Hello, this is a tutorial on 2.4a1, multiplying decimals. Let's get going here. Basically what we're going to do is we're going to do the multiplication and then we are going to deal with the decimals. So we're just going to pretend they're not there to begin with. So 8 times 7 is 56. Here's the 6. Here's the 50. 8 times 6. Well, this is a tutorial on 2.4a2 and if you're struggling and you're watching this video, one of the things I suggest you do is take your calculator and write down the answers for a series of problems and then work those problems. And so what I'm going to do is we're going to do these problems in a little bit different order. These two are obviously the harder problems. We'll do those last. So let's get started. No, you just can't write down the answers with the calculator. This is a non-calculator target. We're just using the calculator to check our work. In 7th grade, a lot of times you're just given the answers and you have to prove them. So let's just get going here. So let's start, we're going to start in the tens place, and what we're going to do is we're going to ignore the decimals. So I'm going to do 0 times 9, which is 0, 0 times 3, which is 0, 0 times 6, which is 0. Well, that was a pretty simple way to start. Now we're going to be multiplying from this column here, which is the tens place, so I have to put down a 0 placeholder. So 7 times 9 is 63. Here's the 3, and here's the 6. 7 times 3 is 21. 21 plus 6 is 27. So here's the 7 and here's the 2. 7 times 6 is 42. Plus 2 is 44. All right, now we have to take a look and see how many decimal spots do we have. So let's count them. We've got 1 and 2. So we're going to take our answer and we backed those decimals out. We're going to put them right back in. 1, 2, 447.3. We can drop the 0. You can leave the 0, whatever makes you feel good. All right, let's take a look at the next one, which is be number 4. This looks like a little bit another easier one. Okay, we know that we're just going to get zeros all the way across. Correct? Because this first 0, but if you didn't get it, 0 times 6 is 0, 0 times 9, 0 times 3. All right, so now let's do from the tens place. We're going to put down our 0 placeholder. 2 times 6 is 12. There's the 2. Here's the 10 for the 12. 2 times 9 is 18, and 1 is 19. 9. Here's my teen. 2 times 3 is 6, plus 1 is 7. Now we're coming over here to multiply from this place. We have to put down 2 zeros. Sorry, lights in the room just went out. It'll take a second to adjust. There we go. 5 times 6 is 30. Here's the 0. Cross these guys off, and here's the 3. 5 times 9 is 45, plus 3 is 48. Here's the 8. Here's the 4. 5 times 3 is 15, and we add that 4 is 19. Now, I'm the messiest math worker in the world, and you'll notice how neatly I'm lining up my columns here because you have to add these up. 0 plus 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 2 plus 0, that's 2. 0, 9 is 0, that's 9. 7 and 8 is 15. That's going to be a 10 here. So that's a 0, and there's the trade, and there's the 2. All right, now let's count the decimals. We've got 1 on top, 2, and 3. So we have 3 decimal spots. So let's go down here and put them in. 1, 2, 3. So we end up with 205.92, which checks out with our answer. Okay? All right, let's try the next easiest one, which is going to be the number 3 here. All right, so 1 times 6 is 6. 1 times 8 is 8. 1 times 8 is 8. Notice how I just went bingo, bango, bongo. Now I have to 0 down, and that's all going to be zeros, right? So let's just skip that line. Well, let's not. We'll put them in. But now we have to put 2 zeros down because we're multiplying from this column here. So 5 times 6 is 30. Here's the 0, and here's the 3. Sorry. 5 times 8 is 40, plus 3 is 43. Here's the 3, and here's my 40. 5 times 8 is 40, plus the 4 is 44. Let's see how I did. 6 plus 0 plus 0 is 6. 8 plus 0 plus 0 is 8. 8 plus 0 plus 0 is 8. 3, 4, 4. All right, now we've got 1 decimal, 2, 3. So here's our answer, 1, 2, 3. So it's 443.886. Matches our answer. Okay. All right, I took and rewrote this problem here on a sticky note so that I could do my trades without running into the words up here. So let's go. This is a tough problem here. This is 3 times 4. This is grade level. It is testable, but I want to help you with it. So 4 times 4, again, we're going to start here. 4 times 4 is 16. Here's the 6. Here's the teen, as I call her, the 10. 4 times 8 is 32, plus that one makes 33. So here's the 3. Here's the 30. 4 times 4 is 16, 17, 18, 19 when you count those extra 3. There's the 9 and there's the teen. And then 4 times 4 is 16 plus 1 is 17. Now we have to zero down because now we're moving from the tens place. We're going to do the same thing. We're going to go to all of these. Just cross these trades out so we've got fresh start. 8 times 4 is 32. Here's the 2. Here's the 3. 8 times 8 is 64, plus those 3 is 67. Here's 7, here's the 6. 8 times 4 is 32, plus those are 38. So here's the 8, here's the 30. And 8 times 4 again is 32, plus those 3 is 35. Being very careful to make sure my columns are lined up. Turn this light off here. Get less glare. Much better. Okay. Now we're going to put down 2 zeros because now we're moving from this hundreds column. Again, we're just going to ignore the decimals for now, and then we'll deal with them at the end. All right. So then we have to do 9. Oops. Let's cross these trades off so we're not confused. 9 times 4 is 36. Here's the 6. Here's the 30. 9 times 8 is 72. Plus 3 is 75. So here's the 5. Here's the 7. 9 times 4 is 36. 36 plus 7 is 43. So here's the 3. Here's the 4. Then we've got 9 times 4. Again is 36. Plus those 4 are 40. Okay, now we just have to add these up. 6 plus 0 plus 0 is 6. 3 plus 2 plus 0 is just 5. Here we have 9 plus 7. That's 16. 16 plus 6 is going to make 22. So here's the 2. Here's the 20 up here. So 2 plus 7 is 9. 9 plus 8 is 17. 17 and 5 is 22. Here's the 20, here's the 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus 5 is 8. 8 plus 3 is 11. 3 and 8 is 11. 1 plus 3 makes 4. We have 4. Now we just have to deal with the decimals. So up top here we've got 1 decimal. 2 on the top, 3 and 4. When we count them all out, so we're going to go to the back. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's 4, 4, 1 point. 2, 2, 5, and 6. Check our answer. Yeah, looks good. Challenging problem. I promise I won't test you on anything like that, but the rest of these are pretty fair game. All right. Good luck.